My son, I think it's time we discuss some house repairs.
Yes, dear. I've noticed a few things that need fixing lately.
What's wrong with the house?
Well, the roof seems to be leaking in the attic,
Oh no, that sounds serious.
and the paint is peeling off in the living room.
And don't forget the creaky stairs. They've been making noise for ages.
Yes, and I've also noticed some cracks in the roof.
Right, we should make a list of all the repairs we need to do.
We could start by calling a roofer to fix the leak.
I'll look up a local contractor and schedule an appointment for next week. Dad, I've called a roofing contractor to come and inspect it. They'll be here tomorrow. What else have you noticed?
Well, I've noticed some mold up in the attic.
Mold? That doesn't sound good. Do you think it's a big problem?
I don't think it's a huge issue yet, but we should have someone come and check it out just to be safe. It's better to catch it early.
Agreed, Mom.
We don't want it spreading and causing health issues.
I'll look into some local mold remediation companies.
Honey, this carpet is a disaster.
Oh, sweetie, it does look pretty bad. Are you okay? You seem to be in pain.
Yeah, my back is killing me from all this scrubbing. I think it's time to replace this carpet.
You're probably right. Let's look for some new options together this weekend.
That sounds like a plan. And I'll definitely need your help moving the furniture when we get the new one.
Of course, I'm here to help. We'll make this place look brand new with a fresh carpet.
Honey, your veg noodle soup brunch is ready. Anything else you'd like with it?
Some crusty bread and a dollop of sour cream would be perfect. You know, that bathroom faucet has been dripping for a while now.
Oh yes, it's been bothering me too.
I think it's time to get it fixed.
I can take a look at it, Dad. Maybe it's just a washer that needs replacing.
It's been wasting water and making that annoying sound.
It's hard to get a good night's sleep with that constant dripping.
I'll get to it right away, and we'll have that faucet fixed in no time. Anything else, Dad?
Yeah, the backyard fence is starting to lean. And a few pickets are missing. It's not secure anymore.
That's a safety concern, especially for the kids and the pets.
We should get that repaired soon.
I know a good fencing company.
You can call them and get a quote for the repair.
Awesome, thanks, honey.
I think with these repairs, our house will be in much better shape.
Let's make sure we keep up with maintenance too, so we can avoid big issues in the future.
Definitely. It's essential to take care of our home.
Thanks for taking the initiative on these repairs.
You're welcome, Dad.
Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 2 Minute English channel for more videos.